All right, stop now.
What?
Stop now, man. Stop now, man.
Julia Brown must see the part. Julia Brown.
Why are you so wicked? Oh gosh, stop now. There's nothing wrong with his mic, ladies and gentlemen. He's just been horrible because of the segment. Come.
The segment says we live in a world of noise where silence has almost ceased to exist. So I'm being silent. To an extent, folks, that silence becomes awkward. Not to me, but did you know that speaking less can make you more intelligent and successful? I didn't know that, to be honest. So let's share what this article has to say on the topic from medium.com. What they're saying, Sim?
It says that we're living in a world where everybody's talking and nobody's listening. That's a fact. We're also quick to hand out advice, but we're actually reluctant to receive it.
Fact also.
The article says the average person has 12,000 to 80,000 thoughts per day. Did you know that as many as 98% of them are exactly the same as the ones the day before? Did you know that?
No, tell me that again.
Yeah, 12,000 to 80,000 thoughts you're going to have today. 98% of the thoughts that you're going to have tomorrow are the same as the ones that you had today.
No, I didn't know that. You knew that?
I didn't know that. 80% of our thoughts are negative.
Wow.
So a lot of people speak just for the sake of speaking, and it's almost like there's no filter between your mind and your mouth with some people, and so all sorts of things come out that are not right. But it says when we're unconscious of what we're saying, these repetitive and negative thoughts become the main ingredients that comprise our speech, what we have to say. And because most of what we think isn't worth thinking, let alone speaking,
Okay.
we ought to really just stop sometimes and just kibble our mouths. That's not quite what the article said. That's my paraphrasing. So we're talking this morning about the benefits of speaking less. The first one says intelligence.
Speaking less doesn't necessarily mean thinking less, but it can lead to better quality thoughts that are infused with perception and awareness. These are gifts that come when we cultivate in and out of silence, because it's impossible to be perceptive of what's going on around you when you're busy talking all the time. Intelligent people tend to speak less, but can speaking less make you more intelligent? I don't know about that.
The less you speak, the more you hear.
Depends on where you are. If not, when I talk, when I hear nothing.
Okay, wow. I think you understand. Okay, no. Wow.
No, I understand what you're saying.
Yes, the information and knowledge you have access to will increase substantially once you learn silence, once you learn to silence your mind and your mouth. I don't know about this for true, though, because there are people I know who talk plenty and they're very smart.
Yep.
And it's because of the fact that they're very smart where they talk plenty. Yep. But I do believe that if you listen more, you learn more, you know when to speak, then it's better for you.
Mama used to say, if you don't have nothing good to say, don't say no.
Yeah.
Some people don't have something good to say, and them chat the whole day.
I'm telling you, it's a fact.
They chat the entire day and chat, as Sim said earlier, negative thoughts and stupidness.
Yeah, when your mind is quiet, you're more observant, more perceptive, and able to think more clearly. And as Abe Lincoln said, it's better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak and remove all doubt.
That's strange too, because so I have two sons. One talk plenty and one don't talk at all. But I remember he was spending time with Mama one time, and she called me and she said, Kareem, all right? I said, yeah. She said, he doesn't talk to anybody. I said, well, him don't talk to me either. Mama said, well, that can't be right. So I said, it's just same state.
That's just his personality?
Yeah, so if I call him now and I say, yeah, good, him just say, yeah, daddy. And him have nothing more to say. If I call my other son and I say, good, him say, yeah, daddy, everything good, man, and I want to see this man, we get up and ray. But Kareem just done, and then he say, you all right, daddy? I say, yeah. I say, okay. Mm-hmm. And him really, so he's not being disrespectful, him not rude at all, him just don't add things to what you ask him, you know. So if you ask me if him good, him say, yeah, me good. And him done.
Style.
That's what you ask him. Mm-hmm. Him don't have nothing more to say.
Benefits of speaking less, saying what's important.
But I was going to say, to end the conversation, end this part, that I'm not certain. Because of that, I would say he's more intelligent than my other son.
They're just different.
They're just different. So I'm not going to say, boy, Kareem brighter than Kwame, you know, because Kwame, no. Mm-hmm. You know, I mean, what Kwame has to say, I find it to be intelligent. And what Kareem don't have to say, I find it to be intelligent. Him just not say it. We don't know where that come from. Saying what's important. We've all had the experience of saying something that we shouldn't have, which is true, like accidentally revealing the precious secret of a good friend. Well, me do that every
while, every day.
Gossiping about a classmate out of jealousy, no, don't do that. Or blaming someone for something in which they actually had no part. I don't do that. And when I say I give up secrets every day, Sim knows I'm not going to say anything that she didn't really want me to say. She might say, no, don't say it. But
me?
You know?
You can't talk my things.
Yeah, that's my point. So,
I'm not always there. But you must mind everybody else, you know. Regular.
So when you say I burst things, it's because I know I can burst them, but I'm not bursting, not I'm not supposed to burst.
It's true. Somehow we talk too much, and because we won't stay silent, we say all the things that we're not supposed to say. And then when it done gone through the gate, you cannot take it back. Better relationships. The silent skill that you develop will ultimately result in better relationships. A common reason why most relationships fail, romantic, professional, and platonic, is due to poor communication. And that generally stems from not knowing how to accurately, honestly, and diplomatically communicate your ideas and feelings, and not knowing how to listen.
But hold on now, because I have an issue with that when I am in a discussion, an argument, a quarrel, I just shut up. And then I get a hard time for that.
It's not about shutting up.
But it's just you say better relationships if you talk less.
Yes,
so when
there's a difference between talking less and shutting up. One is one extreme, one is another extreme. When you shut up, you don't talk at all. This says talking less. Do you understand that? Talking less. Oh, no, you're shutting up, or you're talking less. I'm not sure. Which one? Oh, you're not talking at all. Okay. So the next one is...
And then people have an issue with that. And people might say, yeah, man, we know you don't have nothing to say, you know. And that's why we're not going to get anywhere.
No, if you shut down, that's different from talking less.
Yep.
You know? Anyway.
Creating an aura. How you'll be perceived is the final one. How frequently do we associate those that are reticent with being strong, intelligent, mysterious, and alluring? Batman and Superman, two of the greatest superheroes, were both men of few words. You'll notice it's common throughout film and literature that their protagonist or their love interest will generally be on the laconic side. Well, whatever that means. But so if you don't talk, I like it. Intelligent, mysterious, and alluring. That's me, folks. I'm creating an aura. Which one you prefer, intelligent, mysterious, or alluring? None of them? You're shut down too. All right. After the break, we delve into the banking crisis in the United States, and we'll be talking through that one for sure. Soon come. Stay with us, please.